Hi there! Are you interested in learning how to draw digitally, but are feeling intimidated by all the endless options of programs, brushes, or the millions of different settings? It can be difficult to know how to get started when there is seemingly an endless sea of options. For complete beginners, it can feel almost impossible to even start sketching on a program. The lines feel weird on the blank screen, and you start to long for the texture of paper. That's why we'll skip this step and instead opt to digitally color a pencil sketch instead. This way you'll have a base drawing to work on, which is way less intimidating than starting off with a blank white canvas, and in my opinion, it'll also look really cool. The finished result will be this blend of digital and traditional art, all in one piece. As for me and who I am, I'm Feefal. I'm an artist with a background in both digital and traditional art. I have been sharing my artwork online for the past 6 years, and recently had my first art book published, The Art of Feefal. I work with companies such as Spin Master and Cartoon Network, but I mainly work as an independent artist where I create illustrations according to my own whims and visions. These days I mostly create digital art, and it is what I'm most known for, but I've actually spent the majority of my time as an artist avoiding it like the plague. I thought it was too difficult and overwhelming with all of its endless options of brushes and features. So throughout the years I've made several attempts at learning how to draw digitally. But I always failed until it finally clicked, which happened while using this method I'll be explaining during this course. So if you're also someone who wishes to embark on their digital art journey, I can share some tips that have helped me get the hang of this vast medium. This course is for all of those who wish to learn how to be more comfortable with working digitally, as well as those who want to know more about the process and techniques behind my drawings. This will be a follow-along type of course, geared towards beginners, where you'll first see me create a sketch and then how I paint the sketch in Procreate. By following this course, you will learn how to color a sketch on paper digitally, basic but effective digital painting techniques, my favorite brushes and tools, tips on lighting and how to choose color palettes, and the basic functions and tools in Procreate. The course will be divided into 6 lessons, with each focusing on a new step. Each lesson will be accompanied by a downloadable PDF, where I'll write down keynotes from said lesson, so that'll be easier to remember. So you need a pen, a paper, and a way to draw digitally in order to follow these lessons. And I highly recommend using Procreate since it's very user-friendly. But you could also follow the tutorial using other digital drawing tools as well, like a Wacom tablet and Photoshop. But there are some parts of the lessons that wouldn't be applicable. I'm so excited to be hosting this course together with 21 Draw because I have such a passion for this topic. Seeing as I've struggled with digital art during the majority of my life, I think I can offer some neat tricks you can use to make the process a bit easier. So hopefully I'll be able to lend you some help and prep and prepare you for any future artistic endeavors within this medium.